Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Creepy Homemaker, or at least it would be if I bothered to change my shirt. As the title of the video suggests down below, I wanted to do a quick project share with you guys with all of the people who submitted pictures and entries into my Spook Your Spring Make-Along 2022. Thank you guys so much for playing along, for participating, for being such wonderful interactive little ghouls and goblins over in my Facebook group. You guys were wonderful at sharing what you guys were watching and listening to, sharing your projects, sharing the WIPs as we went along, and supporting each other. You guys are an absolute dream, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for making May such an amazing month for me. I have really enjoyed seeing all of the projects, even though mine didn't pan out like planned. I at least got to see your beautiful projects coming into fruition. So thank you guys so much. So I want to start off with Sunny, Kristen, and Kathleen, who were the three winners. I did add an extra drawing for patterns just because awesome projects. Everybody deserves to be celebrated this time. So those were the three projects that in my random drawing actually won the prizes. I've already contacted everybody. I've already talked to everybody. So we are good to go on that. I just need to pick up one more thing to go in the boxes and they will be shipped out. So without much further ado, I'm going to put in some photos here of everybody else's projects. And I could not be happier that so many people decided to participate. There were so many people who worked on their own designs. They used the yarn for the inspiration. They used patterns for inspiration. It just made me heart happy to see what everybody had to put in there and what everybody put forth and what everybody shared. I'm very thirsty. I'm very sorry. But I feel absolutely genuinely blessed to have such an amazing community who enjoys supporting each other and supporting my little weird making spring spooky Halloween in the spring, which worked out perfectly because, you know, Stranger Things did come out this period of time. So it wasn't that completely out of the blue. But I'm going to go ahead and shut my yapper yap and let you guys continue to look at these beautiful pictures. Thank you guys once again so much for participating. I love you guys, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye, guys.